Why do 40% of drivers fail to hit the brakes in a crash? It takes the average driver a little under a second to recognize there is a situation that might require the brake. This grim percentage is part of the recent InsuranceInstitute of Highway Safety IIHS. Even a driver recognizes a problem, they might not be able to generate enough pedal pressure to stop the car. The solution to this problem is braking assist or other systems that can apply the brakes if a possible collision is detected. And IIHS have included that these systems could prevent or lessen the impact of 1.9 million crashes a year, reducing injury to 66,000 occupants and the deaths of almost 900 others in the U.S. alone. Traffic safety research indicates that only about 40% of drivers involved in a car crash apply the brakes. The majority do not even get their foot on the brake pedal, failing to identify the situation in time to take evasion action, either due to distraction or by not looking far enough ahead. Mercedes-Benz first addressed this issue about a decade ago when it developed a system that prepared the braking system for emergency stops. Further advances since then have led to most manufacturers offering systems that warn the driver of an imminent crash and can apply the brakes and bring the vehicle to a stop without driver involvement.